Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears smoothly? Experiencing slipping or delayed gear changes? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0756, Shift Solenoid B Performance or stuck off, this means the solenoid controlling hydraulic pressure for gear shifts is not working properly, leading to rough driving conditions. In this video, I'll explain what P0756 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0756? The P0756 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that Shift Solenoid B is not functioning correctly or is stuck in the off position, preventing proper gear shifting. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, slipping transmission, check engine light on, car stuck in limp mode, transmission overheating, poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for this problem. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0756, check these important components. Shift Solenoid B. Location inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission pan. Function controls hydraulic pressure for proper gear shifting. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP, sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure to ensure smooth shifting. Transmission input, speed sensor, ISS sensor, location, on the transmission case near the input shaft. Function, measures input shaft speed for proper transmission function. Transmission control module, TCM, powertrain control module, PCM, location, usually found under the hood near the battery or firewall. Function, controls solenoid operation based on sensor inputs. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoids, sensors and PCM. Function, ensures stable communication. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0756 faulty Shift Solenoid B. If stuck or damaged, shifting will be erratic. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, loose connections or damaged wires can cause signal loss. Dirty or low transmission fluid, contaminated fluid can clog the solenoid. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can affect shifting. PCM/TCM software issues. A software glitch may require an update or reset. Internal transmission problems. A damaged valve body or clutch plates may need replacement. How to fix P0756. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid B. Test its resistance with a multimeter. Step 3. Check the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Verify sensor readings. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 6. Test the PCM/TCM connections. Ensure they are clean and securely connected. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0756 can lead to serious transmission problems. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0378, timing reference high resolution signal B no pulse. P0379, timing reference high resolution signal B intermittent erratic pulse. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.